Let me take you on a walking tour of Rainforest of Victoria Falls. After buying a single entry ticket of $50, you get in. Upon entering, you come across this map of Rainforest and information on all 15 viewpoints. The statue of Livingstone, the first Britisher to arrive here at Victoria Falls. And now I am taking you to the first viewpoint. Viewpoint number 1. This is viewpoint number 2. You have to go down and then you have a beautiful view. Number 2. And this is the viewpoint number 4. So now we are on a viewpoint number 5. We are going closer and closer to the falls. This is viewpoint number 6. We are here at Victoria Falls in the month of October, where the water level is at its least in Zambezi River. So the flow is also less. But then there is a plus point. We could see the rock formation, which otherwise we would have missed if we would have come in a peak season, that is where the water flow is highest or at its peak. So we can see the vegetation, we can see the rock formation, and we can also see the water flow. It's really a rainforest effect. And in between you see the wildlife. Oh, this is interesting. It's like a spotted deer of India. This is viewpoint number 9. Fantastic, fantastic. Wow. That's the smoke that thunders. And now we are moving to point number 10. Beautiful. This is exemplary. The rainbow follows you wherever you are going. And this is point number 11. And this is Livingstone Island, point number 12. And now this is Horseshoe Falls, point number 13. It's a dry, but as I told, that's the beauty of coming in this season. You not only see the water, but you also see the rock pattern. You see the depth. So we have walked for almost 1.5 kilometers. 13 points have been covered, and 2 points are remaining. The water level in these 2 points is almost nil, but still there are some interesting rocky structures. Now we are here at a bridge view, also called as boiling point, point number 14. Now I don't know whether at this point, when there is no water, whether it is really boiling or not. And now we are moving to the last point, that is point number 15. So this is the last point, point number 15. And from here you can go for the river rafting. Some boats you can see at the distance. That's the Zambezi Bridge. Okay, so that's the wrap. Point number 15 of Victoria Falls. The most dangerous point of all.